Hi everyone, my name is Phil and welcome to the Warwick Showcase as part of the Global Science Show. This year I took part in the Christmas lectures at Warwick and I asked the question, what if Santa was an engineer? We're looking at things like simple mechanisms and giant screws that have made things possible for humanity, but Santa's workload, delivering presents to all those billions of children in one night, that's a lot of work. So we need the engineering ingenuity of the elves to help us out. And when Santa came to the elves and said, I need a safety device to help my feet because I'm jumping from a 2-story building down the chimney into everybody's lounge, maybe 1.5 billion homes. So the elves came up with a spring-based boot. Now these aren't normal springs where you squash them and then they pop open because then Santa would bounce and that's a whole new problem. So instead these are springs that stretch. And unfortunately one of these springs got left in a child's home. They thought it was a toy, and we've been trying to convince people that slinkies aren't fun ever since. What we were able to do in this lecture was stretch Santa all the way up to the ceiling. And as Santa was dangling down, we could then drop Santa as if he was falling from the roof of a house. Let's have a look at it in action.
Watch these boots, okay? Because these boots are going to do something a bit unusual. So let's have a countdown. Let's go 100, 99, 90. I'll do something shorter then. We lost a lot of time already, haven't we? So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop.
What you can see is Santa falling. The top of Santa, his head, that's falling. The spring is falling. But the boots are staying exactly where they are. They're not falling. And that's because while the top of Santa is being pulled down by gravity, there's another force pulling up. And that's the tension in the spring. And that's why if you drop a slinky, the bottom of it hovers while the rest of it falls. I'd like to say a massive thank you to my tiny helper on the night for the Christmas lecture, the elves who helped me on stage, so Beth, Elias and Eden, Kevin Cooling for the high-speed photography, and a massive thank you to you for watching as well. Enjoy the rest of the Global Science Show. Bye!